Hi everyone. Today I will be working on a botanical. I have no plan. The only plan that I have is I want to use this color as part of the background, and further I have a range of colors over here, and let's just work intuitively. Let's go. I did mix this color with some water, so it will probably spread out very easy. Raw sienna, and let's go with that. But there's no plan. You know, always if I don't have a plan, it can be like seamless or like, what am I doing? What am I doing? And I now feel like, what am I doing? I think green on top of this will be so contrasting and so beautiful, so I definitely want to start working with that. But is it already time for that? Maybe a little bit of the Van Dyke brown, so that's quite a dark color right away. But I do want that to mix a little bit with this color. I don't know if I like that color. Not that much. I don't like that color. Let's go with green. Let's just do it. So I'm just really playing around. I don't see the composition yet. I don't see what I want to do, but I'm just filling it up with whatever I feel. Yeah, the green against this background. I love that. I do have also a burnt sienna, which might be super lovely here. I'm really loving this part, and I feel like something like that needs to go there too. I can just make this a lot darker here. Alright, don't worry about how this looks now. I'll fix that. I will let this dry and I'll be back. Here we go. Here we go. Don't you just love this color palette? This background and all these shades of green? Well, I do. It's so warm. It's beautiful with this oak frame. And maybe in the beginning you didn't really see the yellow that I was using. But here it is. It's just a beautiful light touch in this painting. The composition is simple. It's simple, but it works. It just works. And if you want to know what brushes I use, what acrylics I use, you can download my art supply list in the description. You will find the link. Also, you can download my composition cheat sheet. It's a glimpse in my botanical sketchbook. I really wanted to thank you, by the way. Did you know that today my YouTube channel is six years old? I can't believe it. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. It means so much. Without you, I wouldn't be a professional artist. It's true. It's really true. Thank you so much. I'll see you next week.